Welcome to my channel where it's all about crypto. And in today's tutorial, we're going to send some USDT from KuCoin over to Bitrue so that we can invest into some yield farming. Let's get started. Okay, so first what we need to do, we're on the home screen of Bitrue. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit deposit, where it says coin type. We're going to put in USDT. Hit the button. We're going to copy the address. Now we're going to go over to KuCoin. Okay, now that we're at the home screen on KuCoin, what we need to do is go to assets. Then we're going to go to withdraw. We're going to hit USDT. It says notice KCC tokens are currently not available for cross-chain transfer. Please ensure the network matches the network of the address entered to avoid withdrawal losses. All right, so hit understand, continue. So now we're going to paste in the wallet. Okay, network. We're going to hit ERC20. The amount, we're going to do $100. I'm going to say, as far as the amount that they charge to get your money back, is very high. I think it's ridiculous. The fee is $25. That's very unacceptable. But anyway, let's continue. Hit confirm. Please confirm the withdrawal information to prevent malicious external software tampering. This image should have uniform font, color, and pattern designs. Confirm. So we need to do email verification code. Let's go to the email. We'll copy. We'll go back. We'll paste. Now we have to get the Google authentication code. 4, 5, 9, 2, 4, 3, 3. Hit confirm. Okay, we're back on the Bitrue home screen. So let's go to assets. Hit spot up at the top. As you can see, we have USDT. We have $100. So we're going to go back to the home screen. Now we're going to hit DeFi. So, like we said, we're going to do some yield farming. Bitrue mining. Learn about mining. Number 1, what are the advantages of Bitrue mining pools? Bitrue carefully chooses partners to ensure that we can guarantee high yields. Number 2, when will the farming actually begin? When the subscription period has concluded on day T, the interest generation will actually begin 24 hours later on day T plus 1. Can I get my funds back in advance after the interest generation has concluded on day T? Your principal and interest will be sent to your current account 24 hours later on day T plus 1. Funds cannot be returned in advance. Is there any risk with Bitrue mining pools? Yes, there's low risk possibility of negative yields. Please only invest funds that you are willing to lose. And up top, I think they were trying to say generated, not generational, but either way, let's continue. So we need to go back. So now what we need to do is buy some USDT so that we can send it back to Bitrue so that we can buy some BTR. Okay, USDT, hit the button. We're gonna hit trade, buy USDT with cash. We're going to buy $129 worth. Hit preview buy. Then we're going to hit buy again. All right, hit done. Now that we have our USDT, we have $125 worth. What we need to do, we'll hit the button. We'll hit the paper plane in the right hand upper corner. We'll hit max. We'll hit continue. Now we need the address, so we'll go back over to Bitrue. We'll hit deposit, coin type, USDT, hit the button, copy the address, go back to Coinbase, paste, preview send, and then hit the button, send now. We need a verification code. Hit submit. Successfully sent. Hit done. Okay, so next what we need to do is hit the button in the upper right hand corner. I already researched it, but you would have to enter the keywords in, which is BTR/USDT. Hit buy. Then where it says amount BTR, we're going to put in 500. So it's going to cost us $100. We're going to hit buy. Successful order. So now what we need to do is go back. Hit the home button. Now we're going to hit the button to the right, which is assets in the right hand corner. Hit spot. Okay, now that we're back in our assets, as you can see, we have 526 BTRs because I already had a few. So what we need to do now is go back to home, hit DeFi. We're going to use USDT/BTR, hit details. Now we're going to add in the amount of USDT that we're going to be using, which is 100. And you also have to have 500 BTR. Okay, we have that. We're going to hit invest now. We've invested. I'll come back 15 days from now, and we'll see what the results are. If you like this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe.